Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight, we're diving into a story that's been brewing for decades. No, not the latest political scandal, but the birth of artificial intelligence. That's right, the very concept of machines thinking for themselves. It all started with a chap named Alan Turing. Now, Turing was the sort of genius who asked the question, can a machine think? He even invented the Turing Test, a kind of intellectual trust falls for computers. Spoiler alert, most computers haven't yet caught you. Fast forward a few years, and we meet John McCarthy, who, tired of calling this field a machine reasoning or the robotic minds, decided to trademark artificial intelligence. In 1956, he gathered a bunch of bright folks at Dartmouth College, kind of like the Breakfast Club of AI, and officially launched the field. He also gave us LISP, the programming language that sounds like your computer has a speech impediment. Meanwhile, over at MIT, Marvin Minsky was tinkering away, dreaming up robots that could see, learn, and perhaps someday sneak into your Roomba. Minsky co-founded MIT's AI lab, where they pondered everything from perception to problem solving, basically, how to make computers less, computer-like. And let's not forget Alan Newell and Herbert Simon. In 1956, they showed up with the Logic Theorist, essentially the first AI program, proving that computers could do more than just play Pong, they could prove math theorems. Picture two guys in lab coats, high-fiving a machine for cracking a proof. So there you have it, Turing, McCarthy, Minsky, Newell, and Simon, the dream team that launched AI from sci-fi lore into tonight's reality. No politics, no bickering, just a bunch of brilliant minds asking, what if machines could outsmart us? And, well, here we are, still asking the question.